So you can see one of my students was able to have her first $300 day just applying some of my secrets online. So you can see that what I'm about to reveal inside of this video works. Are you ready to break free from the misconception that you need a massive following to succeed in affiliate marketing? Welcome to this groundbreaking video where we're about to shatter this myth and show you how to thrive in affiliate marketing with 0 followers. Get ready to discover the strategies and techniques that will enable you to generate substantial affiliate commissions even without having a large social media following or an extensive email list. Now, before we delve into the specifics of this game-changing approach, let me share an exclusive opportunity with you. If you're eager to learn my proven method for making daily affiliate commissions without relying on followers, click the link below for my #1 secret. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing without followers and unlock your true earning potential. So for this simple method, what we're going to do is first go to a site called cbengine.com. Now, once you go over to that site, what you want to do is you want to sign up, and signing up is actually completely free. So go ahead, create an account, and then log in. And once you log in, you want to look through the details, look at the different stats and information, and you want to see one that's going to pay you well and also that's pretty easy to promote. And then once you actually log into CB Engine, we want to actually find a good product to promote. So you can look through, look at the different stats, look at the information, and then make a good decision. Now, we want to go over to clickbank.com. And if you don't already have an account, you want to sign up for this massive affiliate marketplace. Once you actually sign up, and again, this is a totally free site as well, you want to actually go to the marketplace tab. So go ahead, click the marketplace tab, and then you want to choose a category of products. Now there's many different categories. There's health and fitness, there's dating, there's online business. You want to choose one that you resonate with, one that you actually like, because that's going to make it even easier. Now, once you find a good product, you then want to click promote, and you want to generate a hop link. A hop link is simply your affiliate link that when people go to it and they buy through your link, you will get credit and you will make money. So we want to copy that link because we're going to use it in just a second. Now, we want to go to another free site called canva.com. Now, Canva is going to allow us to create beautiful things, beautiful covers, beautiful photos. You can really use it for a ton of things, but you want to sign up first if you don't have an account. And again, this is also a totally free site that doesn't require any followers. Now, once you sign up, you want to search for book cover. There's a lot of templates. You want to look for the book cover template, and you want to actually create your own cover that's related to the product that we're actually promoting. So go ahead and do that. Okay, you can create a title, you can change the colors. You want to make it attention grabbing, and you want to make sure this cover looks very good and again is related to the product we're going to promote. Now, the next thing is we want to go over to Pinterest.com. Now, Pinterest is an incredibly powerful site. Again, it's totally free. You don't need previous followers. And what you can do is you can create a business profile account. You want to create a business account because this is going to allow you to see more stats, see more information on how to actually scale what's working as you use this method. So then what you want to do is you want to click upload, and you want to upload the book cover that we just created from Canva. Now, once you upload that, you want to add a title, okay, something that's compelling, something that's attention grabbing. You want to add a keyword, okay, something related to our product and our niche that we chose. And then you want to add your affiliate link, okay, because that's the whole point. We want to post these covers, get people seeing it, get people interested, and then they see our affiliate link, and when they click it, they can actually decide to buy, making us tons of money. Now go ahead, publish that book cover, and then you can passively sit back and let the traffic, clicks, sales, and money continue to generate as you do this method on a consistent basis. And that concludes, my friend, our game-changing guide on affiliate marketing with no followers. Now, there's a lot of different strategies. This is just one incredibly simple method anyone can do. But if you want to discover my #1 way to make daily affiliate commissions from scratch, be sure to click the link directly below this video and check out that information. I think you're really gonna like it. Also, be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step simple training for beginners. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you tremendous success as you implement these strategies to unlock your true earning potential. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way soon.